but that will be over a period of time instead of being overwhelmed at once. So on this side, I've got my tomatoes. The idea was that at this side, also 3 rows, I would have my sweet peppers, hot peppers, and eggplant. Never really got down to doing that way. So eventually, we just stuck some pumpkin in the ground. Okay, this year we didn't do butternut squash because we've got so much left over from last year's harvest still, because they were very prolific. But I do have in the raised bed garden a couple of volunteer butternut squash plants that came up, so they are running through this way. But on that side, we've got what we call boerpampoen. I believe it's Crown Prince pumpkin. I also planted cantaloupe or sweet melon. And then the middle row, I can't really remember what we planted here, but it could be anything from, because as the birds came in and destroyed some of the seedlings, we also had a problem with harvester termites and ants. So eventually I just put seed in the ground because I was running out of time and running out of space. So there could be some peppers coming up, maybe some brinjals or eggplant. Whatever seed I found was in the middle
What is
row.
a cucumber?
Cucumbers are over there.
I need it.
I don't know, this one looks a bit like it could be maybe weedy as well. But to be honest, I'm not certain. I do know though that this is cantaloupe and that is Crown Prince pumpkin. Yeah. We also didn't plant Hubbard squash or anything else. And I only have 2 zucchini squash plants that is over there by the cucumbers, pickled cucumbers. But yeah, this is my trellis structure on this in-ground garden with the woven plastic cover, landscape fabric. Another thing about this woven landscape fabric is, on the one hand, I am very impressed because it really does subdue any weed growth. Half of the landscape fabric there, I tried to remove all the grass and planted. There were no other amendments. I just removed the grass. Second half, I actually left the grass just rolled. See what difference there would be. It would actually subdue the weed growth and grass growth. And actually it did. Small problems that we had is, as we laid it out